Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the next video about case study and how to solve it with VBA. So in this case, today we will try to automate data cleaning and format validation in supply chain. Our problem statement. In supply chain operations, data from multiple sources is often inconsistent, leading to error in reporting, forecasting and decision making. Common issues include missing values, for example, SKU codes, order IDs or many others, incorrect data types like text in numerical fields, no data format, all possible, right? Duplicates order records, repeated order entries, then extra space and invisible characters like leading trading spaces, special characters, etc. Inconsistent capitalization, type of warehouse instead of warehouse, and common misleading, data passed incorrectly. Okay, and that's the problem. Let's focus about the solution. So in this VB macro, what we will doing is check for missing values and highlight them, convert data into the correct formats, numbers, date, uppercase text, everything. Then let's remove duplicates to prevent redundant records, trim extra space and clean up printable characters, and ensure proper columns are aligned. And why this solution? It will reduce human errors from manual data corrections. It will ensure data integrity before using reports for decision making and decision making. It will save time by automating data validation process, and it will standardize formats for consistency across the data sets. Okay, this is the theory. Then jump to the code. I call it like clean validation date. We started with the variables. We have some of for the worksheet, last long, last column, cells, duplicate range, column, and miss count. Okay. The first step is to identify the worksheet and data range. In this case, what we will be doing is to name this workbook sheet raw data. You can ensure that data is not the sheet raw data, or you can rename that. Then let's find the last rows in the column dynamically. So last row and last column, but for both and x lab or and x2 last column and the row. That's step number 2. We are starting the process validation of the data. We are checking for missing values. We are missing count 0, counter for missing values. Then we loop through all cells to find empty values and then highlight missing value in red. So for each cell loop in range, we'll be checking the missing values and then highlight in red. Last thing in this for this part of macro, use the file if missing values exist. So if missing count is bigger than 0, then message box will be there. So warning, missing count, missing value found, highlighted in red. Okay. Let's then go and convert text to proper data formats. In this case, we're using the select case. We need to apply different cleaning rules depending on the type of the data, and it keeps the code cleaner and more scalable if more cases are needed in the future. So for column equal to 2 to last column, let's select case use. So we'll convert column header to uppercase for consistency. Then what we're doing is order IDs and SKU codes should always be stored as text to prevent Excel from converting them to numbers. Then for case quantity stock level, this field should be numeric. So we need to convert text-based numbers, convert to a number, and then highlight in correct format in orange. Where we'll be assuring that numerical format. Then for case order date and deliver date, this field should always be in valid format date, and we will highlight incorrect format in the range and convert to actual date. Last thing is to case warehouse as supplier. This should be standardized to uppercase to maintain uniformity. Okay. After this step, we have the next part of the code. We'll be removing extra space and non-printable characters. And why we are doing this? Space and non-printable characters can cause errors, lookups, and reporting. Trimming text ensures data integrity. So we're using if not is empty, then for these cells value, what we will doing is to trim. So application works in function clean cell value. Okay, then end if and next cell. The step number 5 is to remove duplicate entries. So why we are removing duplicates? The duplicate records can skew inventory levels, causing incorrect stock calculation. Ensuring unique records help in maintaining accurate reports. Okay. Then we remove duplicates based on the first 3 columns, just as needed. So duplicates range, remove duplicates. Then step number 6, out of it comes better readability. So very short, W cells, entire column, and out of it. Last steps is to make the final message box. So final report message. We start with message box and then data cleaning completed, missing values highlighted in red, incorrect format highlighted in orange, duplicates removed, extra space cleaned. Okay, that should be it for this video. Thank you for watching.